Hey guys, KitsTNT here, and I'm just here to give you guys a little beat down.
So you get up early in the morning, then you go to the
Come on, Kramer doesn't crack.
I don't know if it's open.
Now I'm gonna use my. Oh yeah. Yeah. No one's gonna help you guys. No one. No one. No one's gonna help you. I don't say.
Blah, blah, blah.
No, I don't say.
Blah, blah, blah.
No, I don't.
Blah, blah, blah.
You know what?
Yeah, turn that down a little bit.
Take this.
What are you doing now?
Oh yeah, I can turn it into a robot. Oh, it's fun. You know what, guys? You should love. You guys are a. You guys are a.
I love you.
Oh yeah, I do.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love
I don't say. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use my magical powers. You know what? Take some of this, guys. Get ready. 1, 2.
Shut up!
Yeah.
Shut up! 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 Shut up!
Okay, well that was enough of that. Okay, we're joking, guys. That was really just. But what we really want to say is.
I love you.
Yeah, okay. Well, we're joking, guys. That was actually just a button in this. Yeah, and then we also have the shut up button on a different app. Yeah. Go download that thing and you can do it if you guys haven't.
It's funny.
Yeah. Okay, well that was fun.
Look what you just made it to. Look, no, literally, look what you just did it to.
Show them.
Show them what. He just put it on this.
Okay, well, see you guys. Peace out.
Got it.
Subscribe!